Okay, it's my dog's favorite day. It is Bark Box Day. So here is her favorite thing to do. She thinks that every package we get is a Bark Box. So she's lucky this one actually is. This one's just for her. So let's open it up and let's see what's in this month's Bark Box. Let's see, what's in there, Cora? What's in there? So there's some Fruity Booties soft bakes with mixed berries. There's some Moo Moo jerky bars. There's a bear toy. She likes to open them herself if she can. There's I have no idea what this is. What is that? Oh, it's an alpaca. Okay, I see the face now. Okay, so there's your little alpaca. And, oh, it came with another thing here. This is Bada Bing Bada Beef. And it looks like it's a food topper. So you just sprinkle a little bit on top of their food and get it wet. Cool. So we got basically 3 treats and 2 toys, a bear and an alpaca. And she's already getting to work to open them up. We get her the Super Chewer toys. So they are the hard plastic and she can't destroy them at all. So that's what she needs because she will chew absolutely everything to pieces in 5 minutes or less. Looks like she's going to be happy for the rest of the day. And this one over here is going to be happy with the treats. So if you're interested in getting your own Bark Box, I will link a code in this video and also in the description that you can use to get double the toys and double the treats in your first box. Thanks for watching.